Welcome to the Social Lens and thank you for watching. In a landmark move, the South African government has gazetted the final white paper on citizenship, immigration, and refugee protection. The announcement was made by the Minister of Home Affairs, Dr. Motsoaledi, during a media briefing. This white paper is intended to overhaul immigration laws and provide a comprehensive framework for granting residency and citizenship to foreign nationals. The Cabinet's approval of the final white paper on citizenship, immigration, and refugee protection is a significant step towards a redefined migration system in South Africa. Speaking during the media briefing, Minister of Home Affairs, Dr. Motsoaledi, emphasized that the Department of Home Affairs had carefully considered all oral and written submissions from South Africans, ensuring that the white paper is as robust and inclusive as possible. The minister mentioned that public hearings were conducted in all 9 provinces, and the policy position adopted in the white paper enjoys wide support. However, he noted that only a handful of public interest groups oppose selected policy positions. The final white paper on citizenship, immigration, and refugee protection aims to introduce a single legislation with multiple chapters of the Citizenship Act, Immigration Act, and Refugees Act. This approach is designed to establish a streamlined process for foreign nationals to obtain residency and citizenship in South Africa, as well as to safeguard refugees and asylum seekers. The white paper has undergone a comprehensive public engagement process. The extensive feedback has led to the refinement and enhancement of the white paper, ensuring that it reflects a broad consensus. The Cabinet of the Republic of South Africa approved the final white paper on 10th of April. The publication of the white paper in the Government Gazette marks a crucial step towards its implementation. The government's decision to approve the white paper underscores its commitment to addressing the challenges within the current migration system. Minister Motsoaledi addressed South Africa's commitment to international agreements regarding migration and refugee protection. He explained that South Africa seeks to exercise its right to make reservations on some elements of these agreements. In 1996, 2 years after the first democratic elections, South Africa acceded to various international agreements and other international instruments without having developed a clear policy on migration, including refugee protection. Motsoaledi highlighted that the government did not make reservations and exceptions permitted in terms of international law. The white paper proposes that the government of the Republic of South Africa must review and/or withdraw from the 1951 Convention and the 1967 Protocol with a view to accede to them with reservations like many countries did. The goal is to exercise its right granted in Article 42 of the 1951 Convention and Article 7 of the 1967 Protocol and make reservations accordingly. South Africa, according to Motsoaledi, does not have the resources to fulfill all the requirements of the 1951 Convention. Particularly, South Africa does not have the resources to grant the socio-economic rights envisaged in the 1951 Convention. The white paper seeks to ensure that South Africa can determine its own path and possibly withdraw from some of the international treaties that have prevented the country from being able to open a path for government to exercise its right to make reservations on some elements of the agreements. The final white paper on citizenship, immigration, and refugee protection has been approved by the Cabinet and published in the Government Gazette. The Department of Home Affairs is expected to submit the white paper to Parliament to be passed into law in the coming months. This comprehensive overhaul of the migration system in South Africa is a significant step towards creating a more efficient, transparent, and fair immigration process. This momentous development promises to shape the future of migration and refugee protection in South Africa. If you found this video informative, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Until next time.